Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to place buttons next to each other in Elementor containers. This is a fundamental skill for creating professional-looking call-to-action sections, navigation bars, or any layout where you need multiple buttons aligned horizontally. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various menu options on the left side. From there, navigate to the left menu and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your website. Now look through your page list and find the specific page you want to edit. Once you've located it, hover over that page and you'll see several options appear. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you full visual editing control over your page layout. With the Elementor editor now open, you'll need to add a new container to your page. Look for the plus icon, which is typically visible in the main editing area. Click this plus icon to add a new container. Containers are the foundation of your layout in Elementor, and they give you complete control over how your elements are arranged. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see different container options. Select flexbox container, then choose the structure you want for your layout. The flexbox container is perfect for placing buttons side by side because it automatically handles the spacing and alignment between elements, making your design process much smoother. Once your container is in place, it's time to add your first button. Click the plus icon again, this time in the upper left corner of your new container. A widget panel will appear with various options. Scroll through or search for the button widget and click to add it to your container. Now comes the key step for placing buttons next to each other. To add another button beside the first one, simply repeat the process. Click the plus icon once more, select the button widget again, and it will automatically position itself next to your first button within the flexbox container. The beauty of using a flexbox container is that each button you add will naturally align horizontally, creating that side-by-side effect you're looking for. And there you have it. You've successfully placed buttons next to each other using Elementor containers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.